Hey guys, today I'm going to be revealing to you how to actually utilize the new AI feature of image generation in ChatGPT. So you come here, we're going to be coming here, and then we're going to be putting our prompt. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually to put this prompt. I'm going to do what? I'm going to do put this so that I can pin this. I'm building a consistent brand character. For every image I request, you must maintain these specific physical traits. A stunning 25-year-old West African woman, radiant mahogany skin, almond-shaped eyes, high cheekbones, and hair styled in intricate cornrows with small visible gold beads. Her look is high-end, minimalist, elegant. So then we're gonna actually do what? We're gonna actually do this. Uh, we're gonna see what AI will generate, okay? Or maybe gonna respond to us, okay? So let's give it a minute. Just hang on there. So there you have our AI influencer is here, and as you can see, she's super stunning and she has kept everything. So what I want to do is actually to generate her base character so that we can generate in different styles. We're going to be seeing if ChatGPT new feature going to actually maintain the character. So let's see. So the next prompt is let's say like the base that we want to utilize. Let's see if ChatGPT will maintain it. First, we're going to be generating like it is like a seed for generating our AI influencer that's going to be helping us to actually sell our products and utilize her for many things. Okay. And then you can see in real time. What I love about this new AI image generator in ChatGPT is that it shows you in real time even the thinking and also the reasoning behind what it is actually generating. So as you can see, for now it is describing everything and also maintaining that character consistency. So we're going to be seeing what it's going to actually create so that you guys can start utilizing this and actually do what create your AI influences in different ways. So now that we have our base, and you can see ChatGPT has created for us our base, or maybe the image, the seed that we're going to be utilizing. I'm going to download this. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we want to actually generate her in different scenes. Okay, so we're going to be utilizing this, and I'm using actually plus on Croc. Okay, so you must make sure that you are on a pro version for you to actually generate as much as possible. So let me put, or maybe now that we have this and you can see the cornrows, you can see how beautiful almond features and everything looks super beautiful. I'm going to try to actually generate her in different ways, or maybe in different kinds of actually what in different kinds of scenes. So the first scene we're going to be utilizing. Now the first scene is actually all about the morning soft life. So the prompt that I'm using, and you can get this prompt in my description, we're gonna be starting with the identity anchor, the first prompt that we gave, and then we pin it so that the AI remembers the character. She's wearing a plush white silk robe, sitting on a balcony overlooking a sunrise in Lagos. She's holding a white ceramic mug, steam rising from it. Soft morning sunlight, 8K cinematic depth of field. So we're gonna hit generate, and let's give it a minute, or maybe give it a second for ChatGPT to generate the first scene. And we're gonna be comparing if it has actually maintained the character consistency. And just like that, guys, you can see her identity is here. Okay, and then ChatGPT has maintained her identity. Look how beautiful she is, you guys. This is just super awesome. And let me show you. This is her face. This is the first scene. She's sitting there in the balcony with the white, or maybe the robe, and she's super beautiful. You guys, tell me in the comment section if you think so. So what we're gonna do, we actually gonna do what? We actually gonna add the third we're gonna add the third prompt, which is actually something to do with the maybe the exactive or maybe the technical background, which is actually she's wearing a tailored emerald green silk power suit. She's standing in a futuristic digital studio with glowing blue holographic scenes or screens displaying data, sharp professional lighting, corporate chic, ultra realistic. Remember, we are keeping her identity anchor, so we're gonna hit that. Let's see if ChatGPT, the new AI image generator, gonna maintain the identity. Okay, so let's give it a second. You guys, just like that, you can see this is the next scene. She's in her office doing her thing. Remember, she's not real, but you can see the transformation. You can see first she's in her home, like at the soft life, and then she's in her office, her futuristic office, and she's looking beautiful in this suit or whatever. And let's give her another prompt, maybe her heritage. Let's do something with to do with her culture. And the prompt that I'm going to be using, she's wearing a modern sculptural aso okay, or maybe okay, I think it is from Nigeria, a gown in vibrant gold and cream. She's walking in a red carpet at a high-end tech gala. Camera flashes blurring in the background. Glamour photography, high fashion editorial. I'm gonna click here and then we're gonna see what ChatGPT gonna do, what gonna create for us. Okay, absolutely beautiful, stunning, and just amazing. You can see how she's super beautiful, keeping her identity and her culture or maybe her heritage. Tell me in the comment section if you are loving this. Okay, and then let's move on to give her something else, maybe her routine. Let's do something to do with her routine. And the prompt that I'm going to be using is wearing sleek black high performance gym wear. She is in mid-stretch in a luxury outdoor garden gym surrounded by tropical plants, natural sweat glistering on her skin, vibrant morning light, athletic aesthetics. So she has done her red carpet thing. Now she's in gym. She's doing her routine. Let's see what it's gonna actually generate. We're gonna click that and then give it a minute. You guys, can you see this? She's looking super beautiful. Her identity actually kept well, and I'm loving this. This is just magical, and you can see she's doing her routine, her gym and stuff like that. Super beautiful. Now the last scene I want you guys to actually see, or maybe we're gonna be generating, it is to do with maybe her digital lifestyle. Okay, so the prompt I'm going to be using is actually her wearing a simple oversized beige hoodie and small gold gold hoop earrings. She's sitting at a minimalistic desk with a glowing MacBook Pro, looking directly into the camera with a warm, friendly smile, soft indoor lighting, YouTube studio aesthetic. We're gonna generate that one and we're gonna be comparing. You guys tell me in the comment section if you want more tutorials. I'll be so glad to do them because this thing is amazing and you don't want to miss the next video because I'm gonna be showing you how to animate these so that we can turn them into money. Okay, let's keep an eye on this. And that like that just like that, guys, we have her in her studio doing her thing and you can see how beautiful she is. Tell me in the comment section, guys, if you're loving this content. And just to show you everything, let me show you what ChatGPT has generated and kept her consistent. Now the first scene, as you can see, let me go back here. We generated her seed just to wind up. We generated her scene, her features and everything, and then we actually had to make her to be in a soft life era, morning maybe routine or stuff like that on her balcony, and you can see she kept her identity. And then the next one, she's in the office, she's still keeping her identity with the cornrows, with the face and stuff like that. She's still maintaining that. And then the next thing, we actually generated her in her cultural thing, maybe the red carpet thing, gala stuff and stuff like that. And you can see she still keeps her identity. The next one is her doing her wellness stuff routine when it comes to actually maybe maintaining her body and stuff like that. And you can still see she still keeps her identity in terms of the look and also the AI got it right in terms of what we wanted. And then the last thing we actually generated is actually for her in her studio, maybe doing the YouTube thing. She's a content creator doing that. So stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to show you how you're gonna turn these static images into an amazing video so that you can actually start earning passive income as fast as possible. So watch the next video, I'll show you everything. If you want the prompt that I have actually used to actually generate her identity, let me know in the comment section, and also by writing the word prompt, I'll send them to you right away. Otherwise, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you next in my next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to anyone who's building a digital influencer to help her in any way or to actually create passive income. Take care. Bye bye.